Let's learn how to integrate Telegram with Voiceflow and FlowBridge. First of all, you'll need to have a client company, as well as a Voiceflow project connected to your FlowBridge environment. Once that's completed, go into the client integrations and create a new client integration. First of all, you want to select the company that it's associated with, as well as the Voiceflow project. Once that's selected, you should give it a name, such as my test project Telegram. Now go over to the integration config and select Telegram. We're going to need an access token from your Telegram bot, so let's head over to Telegram. From here, you should go to the @botfather account, type / and select new bot. Give it a name, and now it should provide you an API token that you can use on FlowBridge. Paste that into the Telegram access token section. Once you click create, it should automatically set up the webhook if you have that checkmarked. And there we go. The base integration has been set up. We can now go over to Telegram, send over a message, or click on the start button. And as you see, it'll reply from our Voiceflow build.